Hi guys, in this YouTube channel we have discussed about the lot books. What are they telling for? Before I reading books, my life is completely totally decided. I could not wake up. I am not work. I am so tired. I am a laziest person. I have no money, etc., etc. Everything, etc. After read books, I completely change my life. So I want to change your life also. So in this YouTube channel, we provide lot life-changing books for me. So I suggestion you, if you want to read that book, please subscribe and follow the channel. In this video, we talk about the everyone know about this money, but no one not speak about the money. In our whatever your schools and college, your office, your colleagues, nobody not speak about money, but everyone want to speak money. It's my personal opinion. So today I want to speak money. First thing, many people told money could not buy happiness, but I told money could not buy happiness, but money used for buying happiness product. If you want buy something product, if you need for money, so money could not buy happiness. It is correct, but money is used for buy your happiness product. Uh, People told money not solve all problem. I accept money is not solve all problem, but money is solve money related problems. If you have EMI, if you have debt, if your family is, so money is not all problem. Money is not solve all problem, but money is solve money related problem. And third point, money is evil of everything. uh, I am told money is not evil of anything. For example, people are, for example, I am a honest person in this world. I have more money, so money is established me more honest. If you are a bad attitude, bad behavior guy, say money teach you, you are very bad guy. So your original character was that. So money is established something, that is only money is established your uh, power. This is the best way. And if you want more detail about money, in my personal suggestion, I